MIL-STD-1553B and ARINC-429 is a serial communication protocol designed for military and civil aircraft, ensuring reliable and predictable communication between avionics systems. It is widely used for critical flight control systems like fly-by-wire actuators, flight computers, and sensors. These are the specification overview. Elements of MIL-STD-1553B. Bus controller BC. Remote terminal RT. Monitoring terminal MT. T. Transmission media bus. Controller BC, the master of the network, responsible for initiating and scheduling all data transfers. Ensures deterministic communication. Every RT receives its command at the scheduled time. Example, in a fighter aircraft, the BC can schedule actuator commands every few milliseconds to maintain stable flight. Remote terminals, RTs, act as slaves, responding to BC commands. Include sensors, navigation units, displays, and actuators. Each RT has a unique address, 0 to 31. Cannot communicate directly with other RTs. All communication goes through the BC. Data bus. Dual redundant twisted pair cables ensure fault tolerance. Operates at 1 megabit per second using Manchester encoding for clock synchronization. Redundancy allows continued operation if one bus fails. Data transmission in MIL-STD-1553B. Communication follows a command/response cycle. 1. Bus controller to remote terminal BC /RT. Sends a command word with RT address and instruction. 2. Remote terminal to bus controller RT to BC. Sends a status word and, if required, data words. 3. Remote terminal to remote terminal RT to RT. BC relays data between RTs sequentially. Reliability and fault tolerance. MIL-STD-1553B is highly reliable, which is why it is used for critical flight control. Parity bits detect single-bit errors. Status words indicate invalid commands or terminal failures. Redundant buses allow operation if one bus fails. Deterministic timing prevents missed or delayed commands in safety-critical systems. ARINC-429 Intro. ARINC-429 is a unidirectional, point-to-point digital data bus widely used in civil aircraft. Single-point failure in 1553B leads to certificability problems in civil aircraft. Addition of remote terminal requires changes in bus controller software, which, Volume 194, requires frequent certification. So, ARINC-429 standard was adopted in the year 1977 and made its appearance in the C-17 transport aircraft. It is a point-to-point protocol system. It is simplex data bus, using one transmitter but no more than 20 receivers for each bus implementation. There is no physical addressing, but the data is sent with a proper identifier or label. ARINC-429 is viewed as a permanent broadcast or multicast operation. It is a specification that defines a local area network for transfer of digital data between avionics system elements in civil aircraft. In this system, two alternative data rates of 100 kilobits per second and 12 to 14 kilobits per second are possible. There is no bus control in the data buses as found in MIL-STD-1553B. It has direct coupling of transmitter. Features: single transmitter, multiple receivers, 1 TX up to 20 RX. Transmission: simplex, one way. Word length: 32-bit word. Signal format: bipolar return to zero, BPRZ. Medium, twisted shielded pair cable. Applications: flight management and navigation computers, display systems, EFIS, air data computers, engine indication systems, autopilot and control systems. Applications: flight management and navigation computers, display systems, EFIS, air data computers, engine indication systems, autopilot and control systems.